Now it's time for the Intense 5. Beyonce has announced her Renaissance tour and the ticket prices turn right up. First up is Sweden, and based on preliminary reports, the Queen can earn up to $270 million. Okay? Future got a new tattoo, and it's of the king of reggae, Bob Marley. He says that Bob Marley is his favorite artist of all time and his inspiration. Big up yourself, Future. Boy, the SSL plot thickens. Every day is just a new element. I really feel it for the people though who lost the money. Trust me. So, a few weeks after completely destroying his plaque from DJ Khaled, Sizzla has apologized. He said it was a moment of vanity. I wonder if Khaled going to replace it. And finally holding the spot this week. What's going on with Bounty, Vegas, and no Dexter? No sir. Social media turn right up. Why can't we all just get along, guys? I'm just saying. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment. Up next, crisis is the next big thing. We'll move forward.